Hey guys, Jay from Bold here, and I'm going to walk you through our new Ultimate Sales Manager app. And this is a POS, point of sale app only. So this only affects products on your Shopify POS. Okay, so before we jump in, just a couple quick things. There's two admins for this app. There's an admin in your Shopify store where you'll find all your other apps. And then there's admin in your POS, which the first couple minutes of this video is going to cover how to set up a sale, which is done through your admin in Shopify on the web. And then the second couple minutes of the video is going to show how to find those sales for the clerk on the front end of the POS app. And then there's a little bit of an admin on the POS as well. So this video is kind of in two sections. So let's go ahead and get started. When you go into your app, you're going to not see anything when you start, but there's a page that's would show you all your sales if you had sales running. So let's go ahead and create a sale now so we have something in here. When you're creating a sale, there's a number of different types of sales you can create. There's straight up discounts. Now it sounds simple, but these can be creative. You can do discounts where it's 10% off the entire store, or you can do just 10% off a certain vendor, a certain product type, a certain collection, or a hand selected group of products. So maybe you're running a sale in your store of 10% off all Nike products. Well, rather than going through all your products in your admin and changing the price of every product, you could just do it in here. So I could just say I want 10% off all products where a product vendor is Nike. And then when it doesn't actually change the price of the product, when customers ring them into the point of sale app, the clerk hits check for discounts and it finds if there's any available discounts in the app. And there's other cool things you can do with this general discount one too. We see people running timed sales and daily deals and things like power hour sales. So every day from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the store, there's 20% off. Kohl's and other large companies do things like this. Also on holidays, a common one we've seen is descending sales. So, for the first hour the store is open, it's 70% off everything from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. From 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., it's 60% off and then 50% off, and it kind of goes down each hour. So those are straight up discounts. Even though it sounds simple, there's some really cool stuff you can do with that. Then we have buy one, get one sales. This is pretty simple. This is your standard BOGO. So buy 2 hats, get a free hat. Buy 1 hat, get 50% off any hat. Buy 2, get 1 free. BOGOs are pretty self-explanatory. The discount can be a percentage off, an amount off, or a fixed price. So that means a fixed price would be buy 2 shirts, get any 1 t-shirt for $5. So it's not a discount, but it's a set price. Okay. Then we have buy 1, get something else. So this is very similar to a BOGO. The only difference is it would be buy 2 shirts, get a free hat, or get a 50% off a hat. So in a BOGO sale, everything is one group. So it's like buy any one of these shirts, get a second shirt half price. You could also have hats and shirts and pants in a group, but the key is the trigger group and the offer group are the same. So whatever you buy from the group, you get the discount on an item for the group. Where this type of sale, you have a trigger group and an offer group. So that's like saying buy any two tools you sell, get a free or a half price bag of nails, which might be an accessory. So very similar. The only difference is there is products that trigger the sale and then different products that go on sale. Okay, and then we have spend a certain amount, get a discount. So this is spend $100, get 10% off. This one's pretty simple. It can be spend $100, get $5 off. That's literally how simple it is. One of the things to note is if you have a BOGO sale and a discount sale, you can stack them. Okay, so you can't stack a spend sale and a spend sale, but you can stack a spend sale and a buy sale. So if I check this box, say I want to do, if a customer spends, I'm going to say if this customer spends $200, they get 10% off. Okay, and I'm going to make this sale stackable. So that means they might be doing a buy 2 pairs of shoes, get 1 pairs of shoes for half price. But if their order is over $200, they'll still get 10% off because I have it stackable. Okay. And then there's this one here, check this box if you'd like to notify the clerk if it's close to being triggered. That just lets them know that like if they're close to getting the sale, it'll tell the clerk. So, okay. And then there's one last one, which is spend a certain amount and get a free product. Not a free product. It could be free. It could be discounted. Totally up to you. So what do you want the discount to be? Obviously, if you want it to be free, you would say 100% off a certain amount or for a certain price. So what must they spend? If they spend $100, they get 10% off any, I'm going to say any hat. So spend $100. If they have a hat in the cart, it will automatically discount that hat by 10%. Okay. So those are your types of sales there. Now for any of your sales, you can set up a date range. So if I wanted to have them start and end at a certain date and even start and end at a specific time, I can do that as well too. If you don't pick a time, it just does it for the whole day. Okay, so let's actually create a quick sale here. I'm going to make a simple BOGO sale. This is one of the more common ones we see. We're going to say if you buy 2 items, you get any one for 50% off. And this is going to be, I'm going to go and I'm going to say all shoes. I have hats and shoes on this store. So buy any 2 pairs of shoes and get 1 for 50% off. So this means that there has to be 3 shoes in the cart. And just note too that it's always the least expensive item that gets discounted. And that's standard rule of thumb for all BOGO sales in retail stores. So I'm not going to bother with, well, actually I will. I'll put a date range in here just to show you how it works. I'm going to have a start date of, let's make it July 9th, which is about a week from now. And it's going to run until July 17th. And I'm going to call this my shoe BOGO sale, and I'm going to save that. And now it's even though I have a start date, now I can just leave this and it will automatically start. I can force start it right now. So I'm going to go ahead and force start this. This will remove the start and end dates. Would you like to continue? Yep. So that is actually going to activate the sale and let me know that it's now, sorry, it ignores the start date for the sale. Okay, so that's running. I'm going to do one more quick sale, or actually that's good enough. Now let's head over to your Shopify POS. We're done in the store here. There's a few other things such as settings, your time zone, your open times, and how you want your sales to display, but a lot of that is self-explanatory. So let's go ahead and head over to your Shopify POS app and see what it looks like from that side. Okay, so here I am in my Shopify POS app, and I just have a sample store here. I've got some shoes and I've got some hats. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually add 3 shoes to my cart. This meets the qualifications of that sale that I just created. I have some very expensive shoes. So I have a rule where it's buy 2 shoes, get a 3rd pair for half price. So I think it was half price. So now I'm going to just check, and I'm going to check for BOGOs and discounts. Click this, it runs and it checks, and oh, look at that. Discount applied, amount saved, $55. And it applied it to the, you'll notice, the least expensive pair of shoes, and there are no missed opportunities. Missed opportunities are if you're close to a sale. So if I would have another sale at, spend $1,100, get $100 off, which I'm close to right now, it would say spend $54 more and save whatever. So that's it. It's really that simple. So you can see it adjusted my product right there, and I'm ready to check out. Now there's a couple other things. If you go into your menu here in the app and you click on apps, there's a new app section in here. This is new. You open up your Sales Manager app, and there's a few things that you can see in here. So clerks will be able to see sales. They can view the details of a sale. So this is I had a shoe BOGO sale. When a customer buys 2 products from the Trigger Group, 1 product from the group will receive 50% off. I can click View Products, and it shows me which products are included in this sale. If I had more sales, they would all list here as well too. And up on the top right here, I can see my active sales, my future sales. Manage sales just takes me back to my Shopify admin to manage them. So if a clerk doesn't have admin access to your store, they can't edit or create sales. They can only see what sales are active right now, what sales are coming up, but they can't actually create sales, which is probably the way you want it. So that's it. The POS dashboard is very simple. If I were to go back and create another sale, I would see them all listed here. Right now I just have the one because I just did the one, but this is where your clerks kind of have a library of all your sales. So that's it. The app is pretty powerful, but yet really simple to use. It does not affect variants of products. It doesn't have any liquid updating. It just works. The only thing to remember is it only affects products on your Shopify POS. You can run sales on your Shopify store as well. We have a product discount app that's great for doing that. You can just manually change prices on stores. There's already a lot of ways. There's a handful of apps that let you run sales on your store. This app is specifically for Shopify POS. So thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy the app. If you have any questions, feel free to email us, support@boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.